Y'all, you ever see a woman in basic leggings and a $10 tee and she still walks in giving old money? I don't talk to strangers. Like, nothing she's wearing is expensive, but the aura is sold separately and paid in full. Baby, it's not the outfit, it's the hygiene illusion she's running on us. Quiet luxury sorcery on a clearance budget, my kind of living. Today, I'm breaking down my 8 ways to look and smell expensive, but on a budget, with grown woman hygiene, psychology, and a dash of science. No $300 perfumes, no expensive routines, just habits that work. But first, I told y'all YouTube is playing in my face with this algorithm, so I need y'all's help, and I don't ask you for nothing. Look at me. Hit that like button, drop a comment like "for my girl" or "still here," so I know that this video reached the family. And make sure you look down to see that you're subscribed. YouTube been unsubscribing, folks, okay? Click subscribe, it's free. And the engagement keeps us growing. I appreciate y'all.
Dr. Nina, the girl next door, beautiful brown baby doll.
Now grab your water, your tea, and your coffee. Let's get into these 8 game changers. Tip number 1, the across the room test. Your clean aura. You ever been out minding your business? A brunch, at church, in a store somewhere, and someone walks in before you, and before you even see their face, you're like, who is that? Not because of their clothes, but because they're giving calm, collected, intentional. That's the across the room test. Expensive women, even on a budget, pass it without speaking. Psychology tells us that humans make snap judgments fast. From across the room, people are assessing things like, do they look stable? Do they look clean? Is the person giving intentional? Or are they giving life is beating me up? So let's start with the her. Yeah, I'm from St. Louis, her all day. I'm not saying that your hair needs to be salon fresh daily. I'm a mama and a busy woman, I get it. But it needs to look chosen, not survived. A smooth bun or a ponytail. Curls revived. Twist out fluffed. A wash and go to the gods. Flyaways tamed the way you like them. And if you can afford to, go see a stylist at least once a quarter. That's what I do. And then I keep up the love in between. Clothes. You don't need designer anything. What you need is this. Steam fabric. You can get a cheap one from Amazon or whoever we not mad at right now. I get it. Lint rolled pieces. And also de-peeled. I have one of those electronic ones that I can just take over the little balls on my clothes. Sometimes just getting those off make your garments look new, especially on these sweaters. You want calm colors or tones that work for your skin and clothes that fit the body you have today. Not the one you want next year, not the one you had last year, the one you have today. Honor yourself. A $9 top can look $49 if it's styled right. And with your shoes, wipe the soles, clean the inside, buff the scuffs, replace the laces. I even like to keep around like those magic erasers. Those make it really easy to do. And please, the smell. If your shoes stink, every step becomes a puff of "why me, Lord?" You're walking around crop dust in the room. Deodorize your shoes, wash the insoles, and spray the insides. I love the Dr. Teal spray. It has a nice hint of tea tree, which eliminates a lot of those antimicrobials. Now the goal. From across the room, you should give "I know myself," not "I'm holding on by a thread." Even if you are, because I've been there too. Okay, got you. Tip number 2, the rich skin optical illusion. Y'all like how I did that? You ever see someone with skin so buttery and glowy that you just know they're using expensive products? And then you find out they're using a $7 lotion from the store down the street. That's not money. That's hydration plus consistency. It's a magic trick and it's cheap. You can check out my LTK shop. I got all the low budget items that work. So here's my nerdy science moment for you. Hydrated skin reflects light evenly. Our brains read this as healthy, youthful, and luxurious. So real life story. Before I ever had money for anything fancy, my mom had me learning early that moisturized skin, it'll have people thinking that you live that soft life. Meanwhile, I was living a comfortably affordable life. So my glow routine I've shared with y'all. Exfoliate the skin top to bottom 2 to 3 times a week. Use a hydrating body wash to end your washing. I do at least 2 to 3 washes in the shower. The first one is for cleansing. The second one is for moisturizing. Lotion on damp skin only. We're trying to hold in that hydration. Seal with an oil and hit the glow zones. Collarbones, shoulders, shins, and ashy dashy hands. Collarbones with a little bit of moisture. Oh, baby, that's cinematic luxury. And try to keep a travel size oil in your purse somewhere, or at least a moisturizer. Winter will come for your ankles if you let it. And if you happen to have on a sling back and them heels out, baby, prime time for ash. Tip number 3, hands, teeth, shoes, the judgment triangle. Let me tell you something. People think they judge your outfit first. Lies they told. A scheme set up by Todd. They judge your hands, your teeth, and your shoes, or your feet if they're out. That's psychology. These 3 areas tend to tell people your hygiene, your habits, and even your standards. Now, I can remember one time I had a man hit on me in Burlington. I was clearly married, okay, clearly, and pregnant. And one thing he said was, I could tell you being taken care of because I can see it on your toes. What? Weird, right? So let me tell you about them hands. Your nails don't need to be done up. Mine run up, get done up all the time, okay? I love a good nail, but they do need to be clean. No chip polish, maybe just no polish at all, and no bitten to the knuckle cuticles. Get you a little nail kit, a little purse kit going. All you need is a mini nail file, nail clipper, cuticle oil, hand cream, and maybe even a cuticle clipper, because nothing humbles you more than handing somebody something and realize that your nails are getting distressed and depressed, even if we are. Now the teeth, you don't need veneers unless you want them, okay? That's just fine. But you do need a tongue scraper, a soft brush, water, mints, and a midday rinse after coffee. Also in your purse for that one, interdental brushes and floss picks. And I like the floss picks with the interdental brushes on the end. And at home, it's me and my Panasonic water flosser all day. Shoes, no busted backs, okay? Stop stepping on the back of your shoes. We can tell. We see it. I've been there. I get it. No mystery holes and no soles holding on for dear life. I got some favorite shoe picks as well. Okay, and I will wear them until the wheels fall off, but I watch where I wear them. And again, the smell, friends, because you can look expensive, but if your shoes are kicking, as in kicking me in the nose with the smell, they will tell the story before you open your mouth. Now, why it matters. These 3 areas are shortcuts that your brain uses to assess someone's lifestyle. Clean them up and people usually treat you differently and you'll treat yourself differently instantly. Tip number 4, the fabric scent blueprint. Okay, plot twist. Your perfume is not the foundation of smelling expensive. Your laundry, though, is. Fabric traps everything, friends. Sweat, detergent residue, gym trauma, toddler chaos. If the base stinks, no perfume can save you. And this is why your girl loves Laundry Sauce. And they're the sponsor of today's video. But baby, they also work in my real everyday household. Now I'm loving the Australian sandalwood pods that they have. And why is my laundry smelling like perfume, not detergent? High-end, warm, and luxurious is how I sum it up. Now what I'm loving about Laundry Sauce is they have these really amazing scents that are giving you a luxury feel when it comes to your laundry. They have pre-measured HE compatible, free of parabens, phthalates, dyes, and Prop 65 chemicals. And the bioenzyme blend within them actually removes the grime. When it comes to my laundry and my gym clothes, I'm really particular, and I have stains and sometimes scents that I think are permanent. I added Laundry Sauce and it was like, be serious. My leggings came out fresh, Sean's gym clothes redeemed, and Hunter's clothes angelic. Now their packaging is even on point. It's made with 60% post-consumer recycled material. And the dryer sheets, y'all, they soften everything. And the scent boosters give days of rich fragrance. This is everyday luxury. And for me, laundry days feel like self-care now, and I smell like everything amazing. We even used it on our sheets, had our room smelling like, I don't know, like you were walking into an expensive candle shop. If you want your laundry to smell expensive too, scan the QR code above or visit my link down below in the description and use code BeautifulBrwnBabyDol15 for 15% off. Thanks again to Laundry Sauce for bringing us today's video. Tip 5, the distance smell system. You ever hug somebody and immediately regret it? Or someone steps closer and you're like, ooh, she smells good. That difference? Scent distance management. Expensive women, we master all 3. 1, across the room. Aura zone. No scent, just clean fabrics. Number 2, arm's length, conversation zone. Gentle perfume bloom on the inner elbows, back of the shoulders, the back of the knees. And sometimes I stay away from the direct chest because heat warps perfume. 3 is up close, the intimate zone. This is where people really decide. Freshen. You want to freshen your breath with mints and rinse, your underarms, wipe and reapply when needed, your neck, and even a nice hair mist if you have it. I love the one by Pacifica. Most people smell good in one zone, but expensive women, we master all 3 like a scent symphony. Tip number 6, the signature scent strategy. You ever walk past a smell that instantly reminds you of someone? That's a signature scent. I know people say it, but that's where it comes from. It becomes associated with your identity. The person who smells expensive, they're consistent and not chaotic. Step 1 to this is pick one scent family. That could be warm, fresh, floral, or gourmand. Pick what feels like home for you. Step 2, build your scent sandwich. Body wash, lotion, laundry scent, body mist, and perfume. No fragrance fights. Everything should be aligned. But the psychology behind this? Consistency feels luxurious, intentional, and trustworthy. People smell that scent and they think you. Tip number 7 is sound and texture hygiene. Luxury is quiet. Quality whispers. Chaos clatters. You ever hug somebody and their outfit smells like a chip bag, sometimes Funyun, or their bracelet is doing a whole lot? That's not necessarily giving off the expensive vibes. So for the clothing, you want to steam wrinkles, clip threads, spot clean, use softer fabrics that are more flexible, and deep peel with those electronic shavers I talked about. And you want to avoid shiny and crunchy fabrics. With jewelry, I absolutely love bold and unique jewelry, but even the statement pieces should feel curated. Your accessories sparkle, but they don't argue. So I like to do things like layering, also layering my bracelets, but also making sure that they go together and having things that complement small elements of my outfit. With the hair, simple things like making sure you're doing your leave-in conditioners, soften your edges a bit. I use satin scrunchies. Even though my hair is in braids, I'm using them right now. And you want to keep your fairy knots trimmed. Quiet textures feel touchable, intimate, and expensive. Tip number 8 is quiet confidence and slowed movements. You ever see someone move sometimes and then you think, oh, they've been somewhere. They've done some things. Not rushing, not frantic, just sure. That's quiet confidence, and it's free. $99. I used to speed walk everywhere. I looked like I was in a rush, digging in my purse like I was searching for a buried treasure, and chewing gum like a Santa Claus or like it owed me money. That energy is not expensive. Now the movement though, slow down. Quiet your fidgeting, move intentionally, try to stay away from chaotic rummaging, and also plan out your time. A lot of times we're doing all of that because we are running behind, and I'm speaking to myself too, okay? We sit around and act like the clock just magically struck the time that we knew we needed to leave, and so we're in a rush and we're frantic. I'm having to relearn posture again, y'all. So you in this with me, okay? Let's try this. Shoulders down, jaws relaxed, chin up. Gives you a nice profile too. And with your voice, speak with presence. Pause and let your words land. Calm is luxury and calm is confidence. Look good, smell good, and look like you got options, because you do. You are the luxury. So a quick recap, y'all. Your clean aura, rich skin glow, the judgment triangle, luxury laundry foundation, scent distance, signature scent, quiet textures and quiet confidence. Which one are you going to start with? And should we move on into a part 2 with this? Expensive at the gym or expensive when you barely making it because the world is a mess, okay? Because listen, I got thoughts. Okay, y'all, make sure that you comment, share this video with someone who can use it, and subscribe. Make sure that you click like. It's absolutely free. And also come back and join me for the next one. Dr. Nina, Beautiful Brown Baby Doll, signing out. Peace.